Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can backup your Filmora project to Filmora Cloud. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, you need to sign up to Filmora with your Google account, and then you will get a Filmora Cloud storage for free. And if you want to backup your project, you just need to click on this cloud icon. And when you click on this cloud icon, your project will be uploaded to Filmora Cloud storage. Okay, or you can go to the Filmora Cloud here and then upload, and you can upload your project to the cloud. Alright, and wait, I'm going to create a new project. And you can also backup your project after you export it or before you export your project. Wait, let me import a random video to my project. Okay, and then you can click on export, select export here, and then you can turn on this auto backup, and your project will be automatically uploaded to the cloud. Okay guys, and that's all the way to backup Filmora project to the cloud. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.